Hey friends, welcome to Summer Ain't Over, hosted by Up All Night DIY, Shabby Meets Bling, and Jody at Southern Seasons. Links to all three hosts and the playlist will be in the description box. Coastal decor is really big here in Florida, but it can also be expensive. So I was really happy to find these Sea Life garden stakes at DollarTree. This faux iron plug got damaged on my porch, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up all the staples and reuse this frame with these beautiful garden stakes. Everything is pulled out. So let's flip this over, and since I have one turtle, I'll put him in the middle and then I'll have a shell on either side. So I think I'm gonna try to staple these through the back and then have them push through like this. I think that'll work. And then I'll just like double staple. So I'm gonna go ahead and push these through, and then I'll mark where I want to snap them off. So I ended up adding 3 staples to each of the stakes just to ensure that they were secure on the frame. So I did add a stainless steel hanging wire. This really isn't all that heavy, so I think this should be secure to hold this. And then I seal the front and the back with a sealing spray just to help it so it doesn't rust and the wood doesn't rot in the harsh weather. And here it is hanging up on my patio. I really love the way this turned out. Let me know, what do you think of this? For beautiful DIY decor inspiration, thrift flips, wood, clay, vintage, these 3 ladies can do it all. Please check out Up All Night DIY, Shabby Meets Bling, and Jody at Southern Seasons for great inspiration. So for this DIY, I'm going to make a cute little Hello Summer sign for my tier tray using one of the wooden boards from a DollarTree pack. Rub-on transfers, really pretty gold foil, Hello Summer, and I'm going to try to fit some of these pineapples in and then use some of this diamond wrap for trim. But first I'm going to go ahead and get my board covered in white paint. And for this to stand up on my tier tray, I just hot glued a wooden cube from a Dollar Tree pack onto the back. And then I added another small little flower in between the flamingo and the pineapple. And I think this turned out super cute. A nice glitzy hello summer. Let me know, what do you think of this little sign? Summer also makes me think of taking family trips to theme parks like Disney World. So I'm going to use these stamps that I found at Target and Joann Fabric and this ink from Michaels, just to make a couple of cute Mickey pieces to add into my tier tray. I've already glued 2 sets of 4 tumbling tower blocks together. So I'm going to get them covered with white paint and then add a couple of these Disney stamps. So for one of these, I'm going to turn it so that it's vertical and use one of the stamps with Mickey wearing sunglasses, very summer appropriate, and just use black ink for this. And for my second one, I'll use the stamp with Mickey, the vintage Mickey and Minnie and the heart, and just add that right in the middle of my little tumbling tower block board here. And that's it for this. This is really simple and cute. These will stand up, so they don't need to have anything added to the back. And even though I didn't find these stamps at Dollar Tree does have Disney stickers that you can use on your tower blocks. And this cute little Mickey figurine, I did find this at Dollar Tree. And here are my pieces added on a tiered tray. Really cute. I hope you've enjoyed my summer DIYs. Don't forget, there is a playlist. I'll have a link in the description box for the playlist and all 3 of our hosts. And I hope you have a blessed summer.